In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus ProProfs Project Features Comparison for Project Management. If you're deciding between an all-in-one productivity platform and a streamlined task manager, this walkthrough will help you make a confident, practical choice. Both tools are strong, but they serve different priorities. Think of ClickUp as a work OS that tries to bring tasks, documents, goals, and conversations into one connected place. ProProfs Project, on the other hand, is a streamlined manager built for speed, clarity, and getting work out the door with minimal setup. Let's start with the core philosophy behind each tool, because that shapes everything else. ClickUp centers on the idea that your team's work should live under one roof. Tasks, docs, chat, goals, and reporting are all deeply connected, and you can customize almost everything to match how your team actually operates. That power does come with more knobs and dials, which means setup can feel intense, and the learning curve is steeper. If you're willing to invest a bit of time building your ideal workspace, you get a command center that scales with you. ProProfs Project takes the opposite path. It prioritizes simplicity and speed so teams can organize projects, track time, and invoice clients with almost no ramp-up. You won't spend hours tuning settings or teaching teammates how to navigate. If your goal is to assign tasks, meet deadlines, and bill clients without the extra noise, ProProfs keeps you focused on the essentials. Now, why might you choose ClickUp? The first reason is customization. You can shape virtually any workflow using features like Click Apps and custom fields. That means your content team, your design studio, and your operations squad can each see the exact information they need, arrange their way, without forcing everyone into the same rigid system. It's ideal if your process is nuanced or if your work varies a lot from project to project. Second, ClickUp's knowledge management is a real differentiator. Its built-in docs can replace a separate notes or wiki tool for many teams. You can draft briefs, link them directly to tasks, and keep everything versioned and searchable in one place. Instead of juggling external documents and pasting links everywhere, the work and the documentation stay connected. Third, managers love ClickUp's workload view. If you need to understand capacity, balance assignments, and spot who has room for extra tasks this week, that view makes planning far less guessy. It's particularly useful when you're managing multiple specialties or coordinating across departments, because you can allocate hours based on real availability. Finally, ClickUp's automations help eliminate repetitive handoffs. With a large library of native triggers and actions, you can move tasks, update statuses, assign teammates, or notify stakeholders automatically when certain conditions are met. Over time, this reduces manual follow-up and keeps work flowing without you babysitting every step. So why would you lean toward ProProfs Project? If invoicing and financials are part of your daily reality, ProProfs has a built-in edge. You can turn track time directly into professional invoices without exporting data or connecting extra tools. That alone can save small teams and freelancers a lot of administrative overhead. User adoption is another big factor. Because the interface is clean and less dense, teams usually come up to speed quickly. If you've ever had a rollout stall because the tool felt too heavy or complicated, you'll appreciate how ProProfs keeps things straightforward. You create projects, assign tasks, track time, and move on with your day. ProProfs also shines with shared calendars and multi-project visibility. If you're juggling a dozen or more active clients and you need a clear snapshot of timelines across the board, its calendar and dashboard views are intentionally simple and readable. You don't spend time configuring. You just see what's scheduled and who's doing what. And when it comes to working with clients, ProProfs offers an intuitive client view. Sharing progress with external stakeholders is easier because the permissions and presentation are designed to be simple out of the box. You don't have to fine-tune complex access rules. clients see what they need without extra onboarding. So which one fits you best? Choose ClickUp if you're a medium to large team or a creative agency that needs a centralized command center for complex projects, internal wikis, and sophisticated automation. If your work involves multiple workflows, cross-functional collaboration, and detailed resource planning, ClickUp's flexibility pays dividends. It's the kind of system that grows with you as you formalize processes and scale headcount. Choose ProProfs Project if you're a small business, freelancer, or professional services firm that wants a straightforward way to track tasks, log billable hours, and send invoices quickly. If your priorities are clarity, adoption speed, and clean client communication, ProProfs keeps the focus on delivery and cash flow without pulling you into configuration rabbit holes. A practical way to decide is to map your top 3 must-haves and test each tool against a small, real project. If you need deep customization, document task linkage, robust capacity planning, and automations, you'll likely feel at home in ClickUp. If you need fast setup, time tracking that converts to invoices, and a simple client view, ProProfs will probably feel effortless from day one. Neither tool is universally better. They're optimized for different types of teams and priorities. Whichever path you choose, be clear about how your team works today and what you actually want to improve. Tools amplify habits. A platform like ClickUp amplifies process sophistication and cross-team visibility. A platform like ProProfs amplifies speed, billing clarity, and ease of collaboration with clients. Match the tool to the habits you want to reinforce, and you'll see better results sooner. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.